Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today I have a special announcement for all of you. As you know, 21st of June is the International Yoga Day and we'll be celebrating International Yoga Month on Bharti Yoga. For this, I'll be going live every weekday for the entire month and I invite you to roll out your mats and practice with me. The daily session timings will be 8 a.m. IST, which is 6:30 a.m. UAE time and 7:30 p.m. Pacific time. Each session is going to be a short and energizing 20 to 30 minutes yoga flow. Perfect to start your day or wind down for the evening. So no excuses, just enough time to show up for yourself on a daily basis. The recordings of each session will be available on YouTube for 24 hours only. So join in while it's still fresh. This is your nudge to stay consistent and commit to your daily practice. Expect a refreshing mix of stretching, strengthening, and balance to keep your mind and body feeling amazing all month long. So, will you be joining me? Let me know in the comments.